We are back with the fashion and style updates for this week. From what we've seen, our Bollywood divas haven't been up to their usual top form. While fashion becomes quirky and funky as years pass by, few of our stylish actresses still firmly stick to their boring trademark styles. So, here are those who shone and those who made us frown. Yet again, our favorite fashionista Sonam Kapoor steals our hearts in this fabulous outfit. Super fun and stylish. Note the chunky golden earrings which make this look way more interesting. We adore the hairdo and the accessories. Sonam Kapoor truly makes us proud. 10 on 10. Way to go! Orange sure is the new black and हमेशा की तरह मलाइका अरोरा खान ने इस बार भी हमें किया impress in this simple and sexy orange long maxi. It's a comfortable and cool outfit and the necklace adds to the look. We like. We will give a thumbs up to this attire. Vidya Balan surely tops the list of our not so nicely dressed celebs. Vidya भले ही खुद traditional attire से bore ना हुई हो, but we are too bored of her repetitive looks. The beautiful Vidya Balan could do so much better than this. We wish the makeup was done better. Looks caked up. While we do think that the ear accessory is funky, it somehow doesn't go with this sari. While Miss Pinto is usually seen wearing high-end brands and fabulous gowns, Frida's this particular outfit is really not working this time. The uneven, apparently stylish satin dress looks ill-fitted and weird, and the accessories used do not go with this outfit at all. So, we give you a thumbs down. काजोल ने ऑफ लेट हमें कई जगह अपने improved fashion sense से impress किया है, लेकिन इस बार फिर the look in which Kajol was seen, we didn't like it that much. Either the hairdo has not been properly done, or it's a complete no-no with what Kajol is wearing. The hair could have been done better. While white kurta is not horrendous, but we do hope and pray that unlike her colleague Vidya Balan, she will give other designers a fair chance too. More variety please. काजोल के इस disappointing look को हम thumbs down देंगे. Mrs. Aishwarya Rai Bachchan has always taken a role of the daughter-in-law very seriously and rightly so. Every time she steps out, her entire look instantly reminds us of the daily soap leading actress. So this Bachchan Bahu, like in the recent past, chooses an outfit out of her endless Anarkali collection. While the red is tad better than the other, we really wish Ash wears something different in Indian too. So while few of these outfits have been disappointing, we still hope for that our B-Town ladies will give us something to rave about next week. For the moment, we are still going gaga about Sonam's impeccable taste. Hopefully she's an inspiration for the rest. For Rudrani Chattaraj, Zoom, Mumbai.